Hello, I am Robert and welcome to my channel, where I discuss everything automated algorithmic trading, or simply algo trading. This last week has been a crazy one for the market, as we're going to go through the analysis of what I think could potentially happen in the coming next week. We can see from the chart, the last 5 days being last week, where we started off with on Monday and Tuesday, the bears having control of the market. And then Wednesday, the bulls really pulled a surprise rally, like they did the week before last. But then the bears came back with a vicious vengeance. And not only did they reclaim all of the bullish profits from the rally, but they drove price down significantly further into a whole different area of the market that we haven't seen since the beginning of March. Now I'm using the frequency weighted order book analyzer to get this information. We have the upper and lower ranges in yellow. We have order book buy volume and sell volume in orange. And we have the frequency weighted counting of price action in purple. I think we're going to see the market retest these lower zones at the very beginning of next week. I don't necessarily see the market going down below these zones because I don't think there's enough bearish pressure to push them down. The bulls do have a rather weak support area, but underneath of this support zone, we see quite a few secondary orders heavily placed. So I think the bulls are coalescing in the order book to mount a strong surge upwards like they did on Wednesday or last week. We very well may see, it was really 2 weeks ago, we very well may see this coming week a situation like this where the bulls just rallied aggressively. Overall, though, I don't see much change in the market structure at this point. Now, that can change at any given moment depending upon which way the bulls or the bears set up their strength zones within the order book. But at this point, I think we're going to remain in the predominant range of 1.079 to 1.097. And I think it's going to continue for a bit longer. If we do go lower, I think we might see something like this, where it will eventually, within a short period of time, return back to this expected range. But even then, I don't believe the order book shows enough pressure to really justify this portion of the market range. And as you can see, even though the bears tried, there just wasn't enough real support for them to keep the price at this level. The bulls ultimately brought it back up into the consistent range we have now. So looking forward to next week, I think that's going to be the big note to really take away from this. Don't expect much movement or a major change in the market structure that we already have. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Help me grow the channel. Leave me a comment. What do you think this market is going to do next week? Do you think the bears could actually drive price lower and keep it lower? Let me know. Thank you for watching.